Bonjour everyone, my name is Martine Osman.
And my name is Jim Holzman. We own Martine's Pastries, a cake, wedding cake, and pastry shop in Lexington, Kentucky.
And I was born in France. My mom was a talented French chef. She passed on her gift onto me, and I became a pastry chef and a cake artist.
I'm from California. We met in '83 and have been together since. After a number of years of traveling, we moved to Lexington where we opened our business. If you're new here, welcome. Whenever you're in Lexington, we'd love to have you come to our pastry shop. And here on our channel, we take you with us on our wedding cake deliveries. So let's get going and deliver some cakes. We're in the shop. It is Saturday of the busiest weekend of the fall. We had 2 wedding cake deliveries yesterday, Friday. We have 4 teams doing 8 today throughout the bluegrass of Kentucky, including this striking one. Martine and I are going to be going to Louisville, so we only have one, but we have the farthest to go. We're going to try and get in time to film this one on site, but if we don't, we'll go ahead and film it here in a few minutes. But before we go to Louisville, we're going to go back into time to the beginning of the week, and we are going to spend time with Martine and the team as they decorate and put this cake together.
So good though.
Yeah, it does.
Are you clapping?
It's Monday evening. It is the calm before a very busy week. As you can tell, this is our weekend coming up, and we're pretty busy. We got a pretty extensive project coming up, one of which is this one, which you'll see more at the end of this project. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And in the midst of all that, Kidland is starting, and we love them.
I did. Oh, wow. So proud. That's awesome. I didn't even cry or anything.
I'm going to show you how I'm going to stack this cake, and it's quite heavy, so I got my friend here, Ashley, was going to be just here in case, because I do not want to break the ruffle on this cake, and it's quite heavy. Are we centered?
No, you need to go back a little bit.
This way?
Yeah.
Good. Tier number 1. We're just finishing up the biggest week of the fall with this beautiful cake. Pretty intense work that we had to put as a team. And here is tier number 3. When stacking a cake, the most important thing you can bank on is your dowels. As you can see, those are custom cut to each client, and they're very, very strong. I never use straws. I don't think they're reliable. I know it's used, but I do not trust them, especially when you deal with a cake that heavy as this. And the second tip, make sure it's centered. That's going to make the whole difference at the end of your project. And I think we're about there. Then comes the last tier of the stack. A little high. Try to aim it right in the center as much as I can, so that I don't have too much. Don't have too much to move it around. And here it is. Now I'm going to do the border. Add a topper that's actually not going on the top but going on the side, and we're done.
Looks good. Whew. That's a nice looking cake.
just made it to the Hyatt in Louisville. We've got a wedding cake and a 19-box dessert bar. The wedding cake is ready to go. All we have to do is set it, and the hotel's going to do the dessert bar.
Oh, and it goes fast.
Floor, ballroom, meeting room.
Yeah, this is
Going down.
Mary.
Yeah? Perfect. Thank you. We're set up now. On this cake, we chose to do some red flowers. And if you can tell, we put it together. We like to do that in our shop as much as we can, so we avoid having last-minute guessing game. In this case, coming to the second floor of this hotel in downtown Louisville was a breeze. So, monogram, duplicate of the invitation, gilded in gold, and I think it turned out very nice.
We made it. We're at Spindletop Hall. Ceremony is taking place, so we have just enough time before the reception to get in and take video of the cake.
My favorite part, which is seeing the cake put together in the room, and I think it turned out just fabulous. This part alone, Chelsea took about a day to do it. She started at 9 o'clock, and at 6 p.m. it was done. Put together with the jewel on the top and the gold, edible gold that's dusted. We added a few fresh flowers on site, and they are right now in their ceremony, and I just can't wait to see her cake.